Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make lemon ginger rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and an immunity booster. This is very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and a teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. To this, add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's go and start the preparation. Heat a mud pot and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek, quarter teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, a teaspoon of chopped ginger, 2 dried red chillies and a pinch of Asafoetida or hing. Give it a quick mix. Now to this add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mushy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well. Allow this to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, give it a quick mix and off the flame. To this add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Finally, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and our delicious lemon ginger rasam is now ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a quick recipe. So do try this lemon ginger rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.